Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sam. If you have been here before and you're wondering, where the hell are you, Sam? I am giving you a tour of my beauty room slash closet. I call it my lady lounge. It's a mess. There's a futon under here. You just can't tell. I'm still unpacked from I'm still not unpacked from a trip I took forever ago. So yeah, this is the overlook. I did a part 1 of clean and organize my room, and it started just like this. And this is where we're at again. So this is going to be a part 2 of clean and organize my room. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, then make sure you stick around. Don't go nowhere. Also, let me just show myself for a minute. I just got a shower, so no judging. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. It's down below. And next to it, you can subscribe. You can hit that bell notification so you can be notified of all my future uploads. But yeah, let's get into the video. This mirror needs to be cleaned. Maybe I'll do that too. And I look like an actual hot mess, but I just got a shower, so I figured I'm cleaning. Why do I need to look hot? You know what I mean? Anyway, stick around, guys. Let's go. All right, I figured we would start with this mess here. Can you see me? I figured we'd start with this mess here. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do a little speed up. Right now, I'm just trying to get everything put away, and then I will organize after. Okay, I changed the angle so you can kind of see me put stuff in there as well. Don't mind my dirty shirt, but anywho. All this freaking trash I have over here. If you're wondering why I have a lot of trash on the floor, it's because I did empties video. I'll link it down below. I always say I'm gonna link it and I always forget. I'm gonna try my best to remember to link it down below. If not, it's in my playlist of empties, or you can just scroll my page. Yeah. All right, we're gonna move to that side of the room. I pretty much have this cleared out. Like I said, I'm just cleaning first, and then I am going to organize after that. I did get rid of a shelf that I had over there, and that way that's why I have all this stuff like jammed under here. You'll see. But yeah, so let's keep on going. All right, I'm gonna start by setting the shoes, throwing the shoes in the closet, and then separating clean clothes that are on here with the dirty clothes. All right, guys, this is where I finally landed. This video Sorry, my fiance was in the background with her show. Anyway, this is where I landed. Just a quick overview of the front part of the room here. If you guys have been on this journey with me, all of this down here, we just need new trim. We need new flooring. We're supposed to be remodeling in general, but this is where we're at with what I can do. There's my little boo. Say hello. But yeah, this is the overview. This stuff down here is the only thing I did not declutter, along with the top of my closet, which you will see. This is stuff that I need to have stored somewhere that will be organized in other places in the house. So yeah, you guys want to see how cute I look right now? Hi. All right, so just a little quick overview. If you guys don't know, I'm basically a little kid at heart. That's why this room looks like a little kid threw up in it. It's unicorns and crazy shit. But anyway, this is like flats, sandals, Converse, things like that. Over here, I have my fanny packs. There's a couple in there. And then I have some clothing. I don't have a lot of space in my closet, so this is what we are working with. Over here is backpacks, bigger hats, a riding unicorn, because why doesn't everyone need that? Have some skates down there. These are all sneakers and boots. A lopsided picture because I can't do anything straight in life. Up here is beanies, a scarf, and some other hats that I wear pretty commonly. Right here are like vintage type scarves, and then some belts. And here is a bag of makeup I need to throw away. And then you go into my room here and we have more hats, and then we have all my shoes thrown down at the bottom. By no means is this the most pretty organized space, but it is functional. I'm going to be getting more of these. Oops, sorry. I'm going to be getting more of these here to hang my hats like this, because these always fall off, and then I'm going to get rid of this, and that will clear up space here. These are all my work shirts. Yes, it's a shit ton, but I've been there 10 years, so what can you say? Over here are more scarves in this cute little like diamond hanger. So yeah. And then over here is winter shit, long sleeve, other tank tops. Sorry, it's kind of close, but it's a very tight space in there, if you guys can tell. So, oh yeah, that's where I haven't gotten to either. And let's be real, it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. So there's that. Coming over here is my futon, and all my astrology books. This is a crystal ball I made for my Halloween costume. I have that video. I'll have it linked below. The audio is very quiet in it, so it's better to listen to it on your like phone with a headset, or just on your phone in general instead of like a computer. But yeah, I'll have that video linked below of me getting ready and becoming a fortune teller. And here is my what's it called? Yoga mat, which makes sense with my astrology books to me. And then there's some nail polish stuff in my BoxyCharm box, because I have a shelf that I'm looking for that I have particular in mind to display all of my nail polishes somewhere. Any hoots? What the fuck is that? Oh, I know what this is. It belongs on my crystal ball somewhere. It's rock. Okay, anywho, moving right along, we got my bigger bags right here, my hula hoop back there, and then more dresses, skirts, pants, and then I have all the stuffed animals and crap all my loved ones have bought me, friends, everything. They just see these things at like gas stations or wherever, and they buy them for me. And I'm very empathetic and sentimental, so I held on to them all. I can't get rid of them, but they are with all of my jewelry. Over here is office shit, just notebooks, things like that. And then I have all this shit just organized on here. Again, this is not exactly where I want the organizing to be finished, but you know, it is what it is. This is the best I can come up with what I have. So, you know, I'm a baller on a budget. Right here is my home wax stuff, because I wax my shit at home all the time. So yeah, shout out to Nova Wax. Right here is my incense, and then this is where I throw random jewelry when I just don't feel like putting it away. This is my moon water here. I have jewelry in here. I have jewelry in both of those as well. I'm charging some shit over here. Again, don't mind the unfinished shit. It just comes with the territory of remodeling. Is my computer setup. Yes, I'm watching Nakia Joy launch her new pressed powder. Wish I could get it. That's random shit right there that doesn't belong. Over here we have makeup central, or makeup brushes. This is like my beauty area. That's like a gym makeup bag in case I needed to take it with me to get ready, which never happens. I don't even know what's in there at the moment. More brushes, a mirror. Hey, broken. Not yet. My ring light, my everyday makeup bag, more makeup, sprays, lotion, more makeup here. Just a shelf with random shit on it in case I want it as a backdrop again. More makeup, and then my makeup unit, shit that I put in my background. And there's like Halloween special effects makeup, my empties container for when I do empties videos. And yeah, so let's just run this around real quick and give you one more overview. Y'all buddy. All right, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, this is just your average everyday person. I never washed that mirror like I said I would. This is just your average everyday person organizing with what they have. So yeah. All right, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great rest of your night or day or whatever time it is. And I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. I won't see you though, you'll see me. All right, bye guys.